Welcome to how to enable charts for dashboard views. Let's get started. Taleo Business Edition offers Taleo users the option to view operational content in easy access, easy to view manner, known as My Dashboard. So the dashboard consists of 4 sections. We first have the charts section, the summary section, my tasks, and finally, my favorite report section. In this video, we will focus on charts, which is a graphical representation of data in your zone. They are able to provide data that tracks candidates, performance, and workload activity in Taleo. So charts are first enabled by your Taleo administrator based on the list views that are configured in the zone. So the first step is to determine which list views will be displayed in my dashboard. So to view all list views, we will go to Administration. We're going to select Customize Recruit. Under Customize Pages, we will select List Views. Now note that the out-of-the-box list views are labeled to reflect the data that they display. So for example, if we look at the All Candidates list views, it displays all candidates without respect to ownership. So the usage column tells you where the list is accessed in the application. You will also see that there's a sort of pie graph right beside the list views, and those are all of the list views that can be customized to add a chart on your dashboard. So we will just go to the My View here for all candidates. We're going to click on Edit. We're going to click on Next. And here where you have Manage My Dashboard Charts, this is where we're going to click on Add New. We will give the chart a name. So let's call this All Candidates. We're going to choose a chart type. So the available options are either pie chart or bar chart. So we're going to just leave that as pie chart. And we're going to set a value for the group 1 drop down, which will be based off of, let's do this by source. So all candidates by source. Now, charts can be grouped by only one options. So if you need to add more field options for viewing, we can add additional fields in the list view. So any single select pick list organization field included in the list view will be available for grouping. So we will just go ahead and save our view. If ever you need to clone the list view, you can do that to create multiple versions of list formats for different roles. Now let's just go ahead and configure a couple more here. So let's do the My View All Requisitions. We're just going to click on Edit on that one. We're just going to add new here. I'm going to say My Requisitions. We're going to leave it as a pie chart, and we're going to group that by status. And we're going to save. And let's just do a third one for, let's do candidates again. So let's view my new candidates. So we're just going to click on Edit here. Click on Next. We're going to add a new chart. Well, this time we're going to do a bar chart. Call this My Candidates. And we're going to do this by location. And we're also going to do this by main status. And we're going to go ahead and save. So the second step would be to assign these list views to your user roles. So as we see here, My View New Candidates, we created one for that. We created one for all candidates, and we created one for all requisitions. So we're just going to go user roles, and I am administrator. So we're just going to go ahead and assign list views. So as we can see, we already have these selected for my user role, but if ever you add new list views that are not attributed to any roles, you can go ahead and just assign them via user tab and roles. Just going to go ahead and save that. And now we're just going to go ahead and go to our dashboard to view the charts that we just created. So as we see here, we have my candidates. So we have a total of 25, which here present all the candidates that are in the new status by location. And here on the second one, we have the all candidates by source. Now note that here it's a clickable link. So if you want to view the 25 candidates that you have based on location, you can click on that and the list will automatically display. Same thing if we go to all your candidates. Here, everything will display and the sourcing will display for every particular candidate. So this is really a good tool for you to be able to view different graphs. It could be for the executive team, but as well as being able to access that data via graphs to be able to view that information. So I hope this video was useful to you. Have a great day.